Hi, everyone. We're so excited to help you along your journey of being successful in your two-year program and transferring to a four-year college. We know a lot of community college students start their two-year degree wanting to transfer, but sometimes that process can feel overwhelming. RaiseMe can help you learn how to stay on track, all while earning micro scholarships from four-year colleges that will make your bachelor's degree more affordable. So first, what's a micro scholarship? A micro scholarship is a small scholarship that you can earn for an achievement like getting an A in a course, and over time those small scholarships start to add up to bigger ones. That way, you can start earning scholarships earlier and you can see how all your hard work pays off in real time rather than waiting months or even years to see how much money a school will award you. You can get started at raise.me by clicking the sign up button and moving through the prompts. After your email is confirmed, you'll be prompted to log back into the RaiseMe site where you can start earning your achievements and start to see your scholarship dollars add up. Once you're done telling us about yourself, you can begin exploring colleges. Click the Colleges tab at the top of the page to get started. When you enter the college search menu, you'll notice a lot of different filters that you can use to narrow down your college choices to schools that might fit you. You can search by distance. You can search for a specific college by entering their name. On the left-hand side, you can use the filters to search by in-state versus out-of-state. You can filter by institutions who award scholarships on RaiseMe, which are indicated by the blue circle. You can also search by major, the type of institution, and even by the tuition costs. You'll notice that some institutions do have a blue circle next to them. Those are institutions that offer scholarships on RaiseMe. If I want to learn more about a college, I can click on their information card, and I'll begin to learn things that are going to be helpful to me as I go through my college choice process. So I can see information on the cost of that institution, where the institution is located, majors that are popular at that institution. For institutions that are partnered with RaiseMe, you can begin to see a little bit about the scholarships that they offer. You can see how large the institution is, and you can also see demographic information about the college. You can even see what other students or think about that institution and what their experiences have been like. For institutions that are partnered with RaiseMe, you'll see a scholarships tab. If you click the scholarships tab, the very first thing that we tell you is what expectations that institution has of you if you want to be eligible for their transfer scholarships. We can see for this institution, they require that you have at least a 2.0 GPA, that you have 12 credit hours completed, that you apply to the institution by December 1st, and this earning deadline represents the day that RaiseMe will send your portfolio to that college. That college then reviews your portfolio, matches it against your application, and when your financial aid award letter is sent to you, your RaiseMe dollars will appear on it as a merit scholarship. As we scroll down, you'll begin to learn a little bit more about what scholarships this specific institution offers. So you'll see for this institution, they offer scholarships for maintaining a high GPA, for each A that you earn in a course that's 100 level or higher, earning A's in courses that are 200 level or higher, and earning A's in courses that are 300 level and higher. This institution also offers scholarships for earning B's, taking a full course load, extracurricular activities, sports, community service, work experience, honors and awards such as Phi Theta Kappa, and also being Employee of the Month. You can even earn scholarships for visiting this institution or attending an off-campus event. If after researching that institution, you think it's a place that you might want to attend in the future, you can indicate that interest by following them. And as soon as I follow the institution, you'll notice that I can see in real time how much scholarship money I'm currently eligible for based upon the items I've entered in my portfolio. Very quickly, you can also learn about institutions that have not yet partnered with RaiseMe. So if I wanted to look at Lynn University, even though they haven't partnered with us yet, I can still see all kinds of vital information that can help me during my college search process, such as how much they cost, what the acceptance rate is, where they're located, and so forth. I can also still follow this institution, and when they join RaiseMe, I can see in real time how much scholarship money I would be eligible for based upon what's already entered in my portfolio. So now that we've explored colleges a bit, I'd love to show you how you can enter items in your portfolio. So this portfolio tab takes you to the place where you can log both your academic and extracurricular achievements. It also shows you the list of institutions that you're currently following and how much scholarship money you've earned from each institution. If I wanted to enter an achievement in my portfolio, I can click the Add button. And let's say I wanted to enter a course that I took in spring 2019. So in 2019, in the spring, let's say I took Intro to Psychology. It was a 100 level course. It was in psychology. It was 3 credit hours, and I got an A in that course. As soon as I enter my achievement, you'll notice on the right-hand side that in real time, I get feedback from the partner institutions regarding how much scholarship money I'm eligible for. Our intention is to really show you that the small decisions and small achievements that you make throughout the duration of your associate's degree really have consequences and rewards once you prepare to transfer. What happens with the scholarship money that you see on the right-hand side is if I apply and am accepted to these institutions, when I receive my financial aid award letter from them, I'll see under the merit scholarship line this amount of money or more awarded to me for the semester in which I start. So that's pretty much it. We encourage you all to build portfolios with us, to log all of your achievements, and to see how those achievements really manifest in tangible, concrete scholarship dollars that can help you finance your bachelor's degree. Best wishes from your friends at RaiseMe. If you have any questions, visit our FAQ section on the website or reach out to our help desk for assistance. Thanks.